Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Restricted mode on TikTok is used to limit content that may not be suitable for all viewers. If this mode is enabled, some videos may not appear in your feed or search results. To turn it off, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Content Preferences and go to Restricted Mode. As you can see, I have already toggled off restricted mode. But if it is toggled on your device, just toggle it off. Sometimes you will be asked to enter the passcode that was set when restricted mode was enabled. After entering the correct passcode, you can turn restricted mode off. If you don't remember the passcode, you may need to reset it through your account settings or contact TikTok support for further assistance. And that's it. We've learned what restricted mode is and how to turn it off using content preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.